Hi, I want to share with you a trade I'm presently in on the E-mini, the S&P 500 futures market. Today is Tuesday, the 18th of July, and it is a long trade that we have taken using our proprietary software trading tool. It paints the price bars blue as a sign of strength, or you can see earlier in the day we had a sell signal because we had red price bars. But again, the market started to turn blue, and then we got a confirmation when we got a price action confirmation of an upward trend. Therefore, we got a higher low and we got an entry slightly late. I must admit, I'm slightly late into the signal. It should have been a few points beforehand. Nonetheless, the market has continued to rise with higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And again, I'm up just over $6,000. That's just in about 2.5 hours. Again, to learn more, please remember go to beawinningtrader.com. And if you put in /masterclass, you can register there and actually watch a recorded version of our webinar. And it will give you a greater understanding of how we actually trade the markets and how we use our methodology and our software trading tool to consistently have accurately and great trading signals. Thank you. Remember, beawinningtrader.com /masterclass.